In this video, we're going to show you how to set up and sync OneDrive with your file server and workstation. First, we're going to install the OneDrive application onto the file server. We'll sign in and set up OneDrive. Select or create a folder. Now we'll sync up our files. Next, we'll create a test file to verify that OneDrive is syncing up to the cloud. There's our file, and everything looks good. Let's head over to the Server Manager and make the OneDrive folder into a Share folder. Click Computer Management, New, Share to access the Shared Folder wizard. Select the OneDrive folder, then we'll customize our share permissions, adding users and groups, security groups, and changing the owner to AC services. Click OK and finish. Click Folder Properties and publish the share to Active Directory. Next, we'll set up a workstation. Let's access the network and navigate to the OneDrive share folder. Right-click and select Map Network Drive. Next, we'll download the encrypted document from the cloud and verify it on our local workstation. We'll log into OneDrive, select the encrypted test file, and download the file. The test file was downloaded into the Downloads folder. Now we'll verify the encrypted file and make sure it did a successful round trip. And there it is. If you want to learn more, check out our other videos and be sure to subscribe to get the latest. See you in the next video.